Hey guys, so Julieta had to go to Green River to shoot a pregnancy session. So I'm going to take advantage of this beautiful afternoon instead of sitting on the couch and go do a little fishing. Come and join us. You can see it, a huge bald eagle just sitting on that stump right there. Doesn't even care about me.
Always tie your things down.
We're hiking to a favorite point of mine here on Burnt Lake. Beautiful afternoon. As I said before, my biscuit is out taking pictures of pregnancy session. Good for her. Go Moose Heart Photography. Just hanging out in my backyard. Can't think of a worse place to spend an afternoon. There's a giant osprey nest right there. I think I made her mad. Coming in on her territory. Hopefully she'll show me where the fish are. I'll have to be a bit more daring. Let's see. It has to be done. Let's see what happens. She is not happy that I am here. Hey guys, didn't really catch anything, but got wet. It was fun, a nice adventure. Saw some cool ospreys. That was about it. Over there. She's very upset with me. It was a waste of time. Not really. It's never a waste of time, actually. The fishies. Hey guys. Out here on Burnt. No luck, but it's alright. Had a beautiful afternoon.